Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Andrea Chisholm. We begin with the currency trading. The Jamaican dollar continued to strengthen, reaching a two-month high against the US dollar. At the end of trading today, the greenback was selling for $134.95. It means in the last 3 weeks, the Jamaican dollar has clawed back the 5% decline it suffered between October and November. In the meantime, the Canadian dollar closed at $102.26. The pound is going for $175.52, while the euro is being sold for $150.97. Gas prices are going down tomorrow. A liter of 87 and 90 gasoline will sell for $3.06 less. Automotive diesel will decline by $1.99 and ultra-low sulfur diesel $2.45. Kerosene will cost $2.25 less. Propane is down 95 cents, while $2.45 have been cut off the price of butane. Get your house in order. A warning this evening from business mogul Glenn Christian to the Education Ministry. He argues that the education system is fundamentally flawed because the subject areas which are specific to economic growth are under-resourced. TVJ's Andrew Ladley reports.
Businessman Glenn Christian wants more teachers to be hired in the STEM areas, that is, science, technology, engineering, and mathematics. He says economic growth has been elusive because those subject areas aren't being treated as priority. He makes the point that of the 1,800 teachers in the secondary education system, only 15% are actually qualified to teach the sciences. Mr. Christian says that kind of data is troubling.
Everybody is saying we can't get growth. And the 4 in 5 seem to be evading us. But we are not going to grow the economy without the scientists and the engineers. We can't get growth because we are not innovating.
Although there's a drive to make Jamaicans more digitally savvy, Mr. Christian says the island is lagging because the formula for training is wrong.
We are miles away from tapping into the digital economy. We are working today the same way we worked 20 years ago, with heavy manual, low-skill and low-paid labor.
Taking matters into his own hands, Mr. Christian is part of a group of private sector members arranging a task force to ensure that more emphasis is placed on STEM subjects in schools.
So we have dubbed the initiative STEM for Growth, because we are convinced that there will be no real growth in Jamaica if we cannot prepare our workforce to function in a digital economy.
Andrew Ladley, TVJ News.
To the stock market now, the JSE index lost 1,305 points today, and the junior market index declined by 1 point. Among the winners, SSL Venture Capital, Portland JSX, Mayberry Jamaican Equities, Cargo Handlers, and the Sagicor Real Estate X Fund. On the losing side, we had JMMB Group 7.5%, Everything Fresh, Siboney Group, T-Tech, and Jetcon Corporation. And that's the Business Day. I'm Andrea Chisholm. Good evening.